I said, you give the raw materials. You give raw materials through food, whatever the raw materials are required, you give it. How do we know that raw materials, where they are available and all that? Everybody knows in this world where these raw materials are there. But nobody knows that he knows it. That is the pity of this. What is that? Where they are? God has put all raw materials in milk. How you can say in milk all body raw materials are there? It is simple. Moment baby is born, it is brought up on mother's milk or cow's milk. For 6 months, all organs have to grow. The healthy growth of the baby stays. All chemicals are produced. All natural forces are maintained. That means with what these 6 months the baby is brought up with only milk. Unless milk has raw materials, all the raw materials required by the body, how this baby will grow? Therefore, in milk, all raw materials are there, maybe in different proportions. Therefore, whatever they are there in the milk, same are there as medicines in homeopathy for the last 150 years. They are known as tissue remedies or biochem remedies. 12 medicines, all inorganic. They are there in the milk. These medicines are known for their general tonic values. Even our Mahatma Gandhi used these medicines as general tonic. He has given. They are safer than, beyond doubt they are safer. He has recommended these medicines for India, like our developing country like India. But the world knows only general tonic values of this 12 tissue medicines. There I thought some proportion has to be developed to increase all the natural forces. Then I have developed 6 proportions to develop all healing powers. I happen to see in physiology, life-saving power. It is a wonderful thing. In physiology textbook, it is given. Even after death, heart can be revived. Now after that death is there, they are taken to mortuary and everything is over. But he says even after death, heart can be revived. How it is possible? What is here? It is there, it is written, but nobody has cared for it. I have taken that as a clue. What is written there is, provided you inject a fluid like plasma containing inorganic constituents like calcium, potassium, sodium in balanced proportion. If you can make a mix of calcium, potassium, sodium in a balanced proportion and inject or give to a dead patient also, his heart can be. See how wonderful. Then I thought these medicines, all 12 medicines are calcium, potassium, sodium, magnesium, iron only. Without these minerals, body cannot survive. Without calcium, there is no structure. Without iron, there is no blood. Without the magnesium, there are no muscles. Without potassium, there is no nerves. Without the silicia, there is no skin care. Therefore, silica and all that. Therefore, these minerals are very vital for the body. Very life itself depends on the minerals only. Iron, without iron there is no hemoglobin. Without the hemoglobin there is no oxygen intake. Therefore, they only maintain life. That means that has given a clue. You can even a dead man also you can revive. That is how we have developed that proportion. I tried like that 5-6 proportions we have developed. With that, I am confident we can raise or increase or strengthen all natural forces of the body, thereby to cure any disease. This 7.5 years back we have started this lifestyle clinic under the able guidance of qualified homeopathy doctors. They have implemented this concept. They say we give treatment for general health. You may suffer from any disease. We don't bother about the disease. These mixtures we will give to maintain your general health. Like that 7.5 years back they started, they have got the most astonishing results. They have made many people live, otherwise would have been dead. and I am giving certain results to show my confidence on my concept that these proportions of these biochem remedies which we have developed can do anything on the body, can cure, must cure any disease on the body. The results I am telling not to advertise Lifestyle Clinic, but to share of my level of confidence on my concept. The first result, one thing I will tell you, one man aged about 81 years, he suffered from paralysis. Then he started using our medicine. After 6 months, normal course is 6 months, for some people it may be more also, started walking. Then he felt, let me use for another 6 months so that I will not get any disease before my death. Then he used for 1 year. He came walking for more than 2 kilometers, crossing this busy highway. Sat here. He said, these medicine mixes are really nectars. Then I asked why. Now I am able to walk at the age of 83. I came by walking 2.5 kilometers, crossing the road and all that. That means I am totally cured of paralysis. But for this I don't wonder. It is not a wonder for me. But two most wonderful results have come on me. About 12 years back, I lost my right eye. I got the glaucoma disease, operated in Sarojini Hospital. They declared it is a blind eye. Only one eye is there, big difference. All these 12 years, this is blind eye. Now I got the vision of this eye. Is it not a wonder? That means body healing powers are there to do anything. Even blindness also can be driven out. I want to tell the world, I am addressing this letter to President of India. That is said about 4 or 5 years back, he lost his hearing. Totally deaf, was using a hearing aid and all that. He said, now I am able to hear normally, I have thrown out the hearing aid. Deafness. How deafness is cured, how blindness is cured at the age of above 80 years. That means this treatment is addressing the body, not the disease. He has taken this treatment only for paralysis. But other results have come. How? I say, whatever disease you say, we don't address the disease. We don't give treatment for the disease. In the Lifestyle Clinic, they make it very clear. They are not interested to know about the disease also. Simply take it. If you have diseases, they will be cured. If you don't have diseases, you will not get disease. Because all natural forces, if they are built up, you will be free from future onset of diseases. That is how they give treatment. This example says this treatment is for the entire body. That is number one. Another wonderful example is, now the whole world is struggling for stem cell theory. Because they are not able to separate the organs. Either they have to be replaced or do something, or without some organs also people are living. That means if organ is damaged, only transplantation, with the man-to-man transplantation, or artificially they are thinking to manufacture, synthesize this, make these organs and plant it in the patient. This is the trend now taking place in the scientific development. I am proud to say this natural stem cell concept is working with in our concept. I have seen enough results. I will give 2 results. This is a wonderful concept for the world. Any organ damaged, that will be reactivated, cells will regenerate in your organ and drive out the old dead organ or diseased organ. That is how it works. Stem cells, natural stem cells will be activated. This is new to the world, a revolutionary system to the world. If it is known, this stem cell theory is not required. Because it doesn't, they do not know this. That's why they are going for stem cells and all that. One gentleman belonging to Warangal, suffering from thalassemia. Thalassemia is a disease where these blood cells are not generated.